Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to see the general knowledge which is related to the worldwide, and if you are interested to know about the world and other countries, so you have to be understand the GK questions. Okay, so here we are going to see the top GK questions which is related to the worldwide, and it give you the big knowledge about the world related countries. Okay, so let's just start with our first GK. So the first GK question is that which country is known as the land of the rising sun? So option A is China, option B Australia, option C Japan, option D Thailand. Okay, so the country which is known as the land of rising sun, that is the Japan. Option C is here correct answer. Okay, is it clear? Right, so if it is clear, then let's talk about the second question. So the second question is that which is the longest river in the world? Okay, if you ask you which is the longest river in this whole world, so what is like option A Amazon, Nile, isn't this Space? Okay, so actually a lot of people say Amazon is the longest river in the world, so it is not like that. Option A is totally wrong here. The longest river in the world, that is the Nile. Okay, option B here, Nile is the longest river in the world. Okay, I hope is it clear. So let's talk about the second question. So here's third question. The third question is that which is the largest desert in the world? Okay, so if you see desert, which is the largest deserts, like option given, first option Sahara, Arabian, Gobi, Antarctic deserts. So if you see here, a lot of people have like if you know about the Sahara desert, then you will say Sahara desert is a very largest desert, but it is wrong. Sahara is not the largest desert. The largest desert in the world, that is the Antarctic desert. Antarctic desert is the largest desert in the whole world. Okay, is it clear? Right, so now let's talk about the fourth question. Okay, the fourth is the who discovered gravity. Okay, so this is a science related question, and I already know you have been idea who discovered the gravity and which we are studying. Okay, right, like option is given Albert Einstein's, Isaac Newton's, Galileo, Michael Faraday. Okay, so I hope you have to give this answer with yourself and you have to comment this answer. Okay, the fourth question answer you have to be comment who discovered the gravity. Okay, I believe this question for you only, you have to give the answer in the comment box. Okay, let's talk about the fifth question. So the fifth question is that which country invented the paper? Okay, like first option Egypt, India, China, Greek. Okay, so actually the first time who invented the paper, that is a China invented the paper. Okay, so here the option C is correct. China invented the paper. Okay, is it correct? Right, so let's talk about the sixth question. So here the sixth question is that which is the largest island in the world? So option is given Greenland, Australia, New Guinea, that's the Madagascar. Okay, so actually if you see largest island in this whole world, that is the Greenland is the largest island in the world. Okay, if you see. Okay, right, so let's talk about our seventh question. The seventh question is that which city is known as the city of canals? Okay, so if you talk about canals, it is a one type of canal where like water will flow on that one. Okay, so which city is known as the city of the canal? Okay, now which city is known as the city of canal? Option is given like Amsterdam, Bangkok, Venice, Paris. Okay, so if you talk about the seventh question, so the answer is the C one. Answer C is correct, Venice. Okay, Venice is the known as the city of canal. Here it is a lot of canals is it in the city. Okay, and it is in the proper manner and it have proper designs. If you search in this Google, or if you watch in the YouTube etc., you will find out that the whatever it is management is there, it is totally amazing. Okay, now let's talk about the eighth question. So the eighth GK question is that which planet is called the red planet? Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Okay, so which planet is known as the red planet? So if you talk about Earth is not a red planet. If you talk about the Mars, then Yes, the answer is correct. Option B is correct here. So Mars is known as the red planet. Always remember that. Okay, right. So let's talk about the ninth question. So ninth question is that which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the US? Okay, if you see this Statue of Liberty, which is gifted by which country? It is gifted by which country? Like option given: England, Germany, Canada, and France. So which country given that to the America, this a Statue of Liberty, which country given to the USA? So which option is correct here? So option D is correct. France given that a Statue of Liberty to the USA. Okay, they after the freedom of America, USA, they gifted to the America. Okay, now the France gifted. Okay, right. So let's talk about our 10th GK question. So which is the largest ocean on the earth? Okay, which is the largest ocean? Like Atlantic Oceans, Indian Oceans, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. So if you talk about which is the largest ocean in this whole world, that is the Pacific Ocean. Option D is here correct. Okay, why? Because if you see the world map, Pacific, that Pacific Ocean is starting from the China's and the part of America, and it is going till the North America. Okay, now North America, South America, this part. So Pacific Ocean is totally big. You will also see in the globe or map. Okay, so this I think this GK question is till here only. Whatever GK question are there, we already covered. These are the top GK question, and today we bring it 10 GK question only, because we will solve 10 GK question, 10 only. After it we will move to the 15 GK question, then 20 GK question, then 30 GK question. Okay, so if you want to be revised, if you practice daily 10 GK question, you will remember that one. If you practice 30 or 40 GK question, you will not going to be remembered. Okay, you can test that, but you cannot remember. But when you practice 10 GK questions, it is exactly fixed in your mind. Okay, so this GK question series is totally completed here. I hope this is going to be very easy and very understandable, and lot of GK question you are doing. So in the end of this video, I will ask you, in the out of 10 by 10 GK question, how many GK question you did it wrong, and how much you did it correct. You have to comment in this video. Okay, so let's see you in the next GK questions. Jai Hind.